first and low pitch sounds acorn. They echo through sound waves and vibration. Today I'm excited to show you my sound project, showing everything I have learned from my science teacher and my science book. Sound is travel as a wave that carries energy from one place to another. Sound is a form of energy that moves as waves through matter. The rest of the high part of the wave and through is the low part. The space between one crest to the next is called wavelength. High pitch sounds acorn. High pitch sounds occur when the frequency is high in a sound wave. The frequency is a number of waves that pass in a set amount of time. An example of a high pitch pitch sound is candle whistle. When there is a low pitch sound, is vibrating at a low frequency. That means there are less waves passed in a set amount of time. To vibrate is to move back and forth very fast. Sound is made up when matter energy. An example of low pitch sound is Santa saying ho ho ho. An example of vibration is jingle bells. Sound requires matter that is also called the medium to travel. Medium can be liquid, solid, or gas. Sound cannot travel through an empty space. Sounds travel fast through liquids, solids, and slowest through gases. A balloon is an example of matter energy. It is full of helium, so sound will travel through it. I hope you enjoyed my project. Sound has been fun to learn about. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my Christmas project.